Hey guys, we are going to visit our Took You to Court page on Twitter. If you know, you know. I don't need to mention his name. I don't need to talk much about him. But if you are following the trend of the information and what is going on in Biafran Freedom, you will understand who is our Took You to Court. This guy keep on posting different information, reacting on everything that the Biafran government in Israel does. Whatever they do, he will, find a way to reshape the information, and he keep on, playing voice notes, cutting and joining informations to suit the agenda of his group. Now, this is one of the voice notes that he posted on his platform, trying to talk down on Simon Ekpa and the IPOB government in exile and the Biafran Liberation Army. Just hear this, and if you are following Martin Namadukano for years, you will judge this information by yourself. I don't need to say more, just listen. What they're doing here is playing voice of Simon Ekpa, when he claimed the responsibilities of what is going on between Nigerian Army and Biafran Liberation Army in Nigeria, standing tall, saying that this is what we are doing to defend the land, this is what we are doing to protect our people, and we are not hiding it. So they now cut that part of Simon Ekpa's broadcast and now reacting towards that, telling you this. Just here.
Very good. Biafran Liberation Army. But you go away the reason why if the Nigerian government and media they attack the IPOB SN. Because they have targets. Their target is to bring IPOB and ESN down, Mazen and Kano. Oh, yeah, their target. They want to sponsor this guy. Most of our people don't understand what is going on.
Okay, now, if you are following their information, remember they told you before that Sabanapa don't have any men. There's no men. That's people that you saw in the picture when he posted Biafran Liberation Army picture. Remember they said that it's only 10 people, it's only 15 people. Now, listen when they realize the truth and they cannot hide it anymore. They change their ways.
Responsibility, no, something. But they have regional know how and they know the only now Biafran struggle through self-determination. Through harm.
Okay, that's the Nigerian government. Their problem here is that each time Nigerian news are saying that whatever Samanaba does, whatever he do with the Biafran Liberation Army, anything that comes out from the activities, they will say it is IPOB. So they should distance IPOB from them. So somehow they are afraid that maybe this thing will backfire and they will start, maybe Nigerian government will come after them or something like that, because what they're saying here is, why are they using the name of IPOB in everything that Samanekpa does? Whatever he do, they will target IPOB. So they don't want that kind of thing to happen at all. Don't mention IPOB. Now listen to what he's saying.
The whole world, man, IPOB now for sure. Self-determination, not armed struggle.
Self-determination is what? That's the question. What is self-determination? Because sometimes when they speak this big grammar like this, self-determination, they pretend not to, that they know what it means. You understand? But they don't know what self-determination, what it means, what it's all about. You want to tell me that armed struggle is abomination when you say self-determination? That self-determination will mature to a level of arms. That's just the truth.
Government in exile, armed struggle. They neutralize the military checkpoint. Now, what we see, but
what they are telling you is that they are neutralizing military now, Babusiha. So after saying that that Samanekpa have no men, that they are just few people, so Samanekpa's men are able to face military, which means they are not child play. That's what it means. Now let us check the meaning of self-determination. According to the dictionary here, Oxford Language Dictionary, the process by which a country determines its own statehood and forms its own government. That is the dictionary meaning of self-determination. Is a process by which a country determines its own statehood and forms its own government. So, among Simon Ekpa and DOS, who formed government? Who is self-determination here? Who is going towards self-determination? You can check it on your own dictionary. What I'm using here is Oxford Dictionary. So go and check the meaning of self-determination. Just use your dictionary, because not when you use one language you start knowing what it means. Here you are saying that the international communities and Nigerian government should know that DOS and their group are for self-determination. That Simon Ekpa is for armed struggle. Now the question here is, between these two, who is going towards self-determination? Is it Simon Ekpa or you that is not doing anything, that is doing a pressure group? Because they don't know the definition of the activities which they are getting themselves into. That is just the truth. Now listen to what the guy is saying here.
Determination. Overall through harm. The whole world man here building up for show. Self-determination, not armed struggle. But I'm not able to see no Biafran Liberation Army, government in exile, armed struggle. They neutralize the military checkpoint. Now, what we say, but the Nigerian government failed to call the criminal by his name. No, you want to know, just extradite in Finland. No, but now IPOB can about the end of the day. They just happen to the Nigerian army and say we neutralize IPOB camp. We catch IPOB members. Enough for the psychological demand there.
And the level of illiteracy on the Biafran freedoms and DOS is beyond human comprehension. How can you just come out saying all those things, believing people to take you serious? Like me, I am not a member of Biafran government in exile. I am not a member of DOS, but I am a Biafran. Because every Igbo man, every old eastern region, if you are from old eastern region, automatically you are Biafran. So DOS is a group formed by Martin Amadukan inside IPOB. They are not IPOB owner. But these people, since the kidnap of Martin Amadukan, they are taking it as a personal business or organization or something like that. You don't use your confused state of mind to lead a very huge intelligent people of Biafrans. We are more than 70 million, if I'm not mistaken. You can't just come out and be making all this stupid blind argument. It doesn't make sense at all.
IPOB are very wise. The leadership are very wise. Very wise. At the end of the day, Nigerian government name present to this UN. You see now, they don't have army. UN are saying, if UN book didn't have president, IPOB. Every IPOB counter all their nonsense. They should call the criminal by his name.
Okay, you don't know the international law. You don't know what it means what it takes to have government in exile. You don't even know what government in exile have power to possess. You don't even know what it takes to be self-determination, to have a self-determination, like you said that your group is, that you are self-determination, why this one is armed struggle. But as a self-determination group, you're supposed to have a government, and as a government you are meant to have your own armed group. That is just the truth. But ignorance and the illiteracy is not giving you that space to fight for what you're supposed to fight.
Yes, criminal gang, Burundi army. Claim put that open in both my Twitter, my Facebook.
That is when someone who knows what he's doing is broadcasting, he will tell you that he knows his right. Not like you. Come on, not like you. You don't even know what you are. You don't even know your left or right, and you want to lead intelligent people like Biafrans. You want to be at helm of affairs to direct the order and everything, tell people what to do and what not to do when you have no knowledge of what you are doing. You don't even know your right.
We have taken responsibility of neutralizing many Nigeria terrorist military.
You can hear Master Manekpa on their own platform. They're using his clip to make broadcast that they're compiling information that when the time comes to answer query in UN, Simon Ekpa will be running head-to-skirt. Just like they told you during the time that Finnish police visited called Simon Ekpa for query before the general election in Nigeria. They were telling you, oh, he will be locked up. Oh, thank God, Finnish police have done a good job. They have done this, they have done that. He will end up in prison. After a few hours, they release him because he knows he's right. You keep on wallowing in shame and darkness, believing that you are doing the right thing, and you cannot fool everybody because most of us are even more wiser than you. You keep on, giving yourself a wise people. DOS are wise. DOS are wise. You are wise. If you are really wise, you are not supposed to be the one to say it. People, you have to keep quiet. People will not say, "Oh, you are wise," but you are the only group on earth that promoting your intelligence by yourself without allowing other people to score you. We are listening to you now. We know what you are saying, and we can see how sensible you are. Please try to make it make sense. Please, guys, I will draw the curtain here. If you are new in the channel, please don't forget to like, follow the page, and give the video a thumbs up. If you are watching from Facebook, follow me on Facebook. See you on my next video. Thank you and bye-bye.